Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a study schedule on the Flip application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the More button at the lower right corner of the screen, and here go to the study schedule option next to the D-Day, and here go to the plus icon at the lower right corner of the screen, and click to the first option, the Add Study Schedule. That's a premium function, but here you can add a schedule if you have the premium. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.